In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage and send recurring reports and dashboards in email inside HubSpot. If you're sending performance updates to your team, clients, or leadership, automating this process will save you hours every single month. Instead of manually exporting reports, you can schedule everything to go out automatically. I'll walk you step by step through sending a dashboard, managing email schedules, and even emailing a single report. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, let's talk about how to send a dashboard as a recurring email. Start by opening HubSpot and going to Reports, then click on Dashboards. From here, open the specific dashboard that you want to send. This could be your marketing dashboard, sales performance dashboard, or any custom dashboard you've built. Once the dashboard is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Share. In the drop-down menu, select Email this dashboard. As soon as you click that, a pop-up window will appear where you can configure your email settings. Inside this window, you'll choose the recipients. Enter the email addresses of the people who should receive the dashboard. Depending on your HubSpot plan, you may be able to add multiple recipients or adjust permissions. Next, select the frequency. You can typically choose options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Pick the schedule that makes the most sense for your reporting needs. After selecting the frequency, review the subject line and message. You can customize this so recipients know exactly what they're receiving. Once everything looks good, click Save or Schedule Email. And that's it. Your dashboard will now be sent automatically based on the schedule you selected. Now, let's go over how to manage, edit, or delete an existing dashboard email schedule. This is especially useful if you need to change the frequency or update recipients. To do this, go back to Reports and then Dashboards. Open the dashboard where the email schedule is set up. Again, click Share in the top right corner. This time, select Manage Email Schedules, which may also appear as Manage Subscriptions depending on your account. Here, you'll see a list of active schedules connected to that dashboard. From this screen, you can edit the frequency if you need to switch from weekly to monthly, for example. On certain paid plans, you can also add or remove recipients. And if you no longer want the dashboard to be sent automatically, you can simply turn off the schedule or delete it completely. This gives you full control over your recurring reporting without needing to recreate anything from scratch. Next, let's quickly cover how to email a single report instead of an entire dashboard. This is helpful when you only need to send one specific data view. Go to Reports and then click on Reports. Find the report you want to send. Hover over it, click on Actions, and then choose either Email Report or Schedule Email. From there, just like before, select your recipients and choose the frequency if you want it to be recurring. If it's a one-time send, you can simply send it immediately. Once you click Save, HubSpot will handle the rest. And that's how you manage and send recurring reports and dashboards in email inside HubSpot. Setting this up properly ensures your team stays informed without you having to manually send updates every week. If this tutorial made your workflow easier, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.